Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see one of the pillars of relational database design, means database skills. Whether you are building a simple app or a massive enterprise system, understanding key is essential for data integrity, performance and maintenance. By the end of this video, we will know exactly when and how to use primary keys, foreign key, composite key and more. Let's go. First, why do we even need keys? Data integrity. Keys guarantee each record is unique and prevent duplicates. Relationship building. They link database so your customer's table can connect to orders, payments, and more. Efficiently retrieval. Indexes on keys makes you select queries lightning fast. In short, keys are the backbone of any well-designed relational database. Primary key is the main identifier for each record in a table. It must be unique. No two rows share the same value. It cannot be null. So every record is guaranteed an ID. Every table should have exactly one. For example, in a user table, an ID column, often an auto increment integrity, is the classic primary key. This ensures each user is uniquely addressable by our application. A origin key creates a link between two tables. It's a column or a set of columns in one table that refers the primary key of others. This enforces referential integrity. You can't have an order without a valid user. If the user is deleted, the database can cascade delete or restrict to prevent records. For example, in an order table, user ID is the origin key pointing back to user ID. That's how we know who placed each order. Sometimes a single column is not enough. Enter composite key, a combination of two or more columns that together uniquely identify a record. Use cases include junction tables in many to many relationships. For example, a student course table might have student ID course ID as its composite primary key. Together, they ensures a student can enroll in a course only once. Candidate key are all the attribute sets that could serve as a primary key. Once you choose one, the other becomes alternate key, still unique but not your main key. For example, in an employees table, both employees ID and email might be unique. If you pick employee ID as the primary key, email becomes an alternate key. Surrogate keys. A surrogate key is an artificial key generated by the system, usually an auto increment integrate or a UID. It holds no business meaning but offers simplicity, easy to index and reference, stability, unaffected by changing business data. Use surrogate when natural candidate key are large, composite or subject to change. When designing keys, keep these best practices in mind. Simplicity. Prefer single column surrogate keys unless there is a strong reason for composite. Stability. Choose values that doesn't change. IDs are better than names or emails that users can update. Integrity. Always enforce not null and unique construct performance. Index your keys and watch out for oversized composite keys that slow down choice.